This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. So today another webinar for Azure Cloud Exam Day tips. So I will tell you what you will do on the exam day. As you know, my name is Ahmed and this is my expertise and my certification. So I'm not going into that. This is my YouTube channel. I had 1170 subscribers, and this is my technical blog, Oracle Drive, and author of these two blogs also. And then LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, you can catch me. And yes, so this is the Pearson page. On the exam day, you will log in, and when you will go for this exam, so there is a tab, begin exam. So when you click on this, so this page, there is a software, you have to download it, and then you have to run it. Then you will get the access code over here, so you should copy that. And this is the software one, on view software, you have to download it. And after that, when you start, so it will ask the code, so you have to enter the code. It will ask the phone number, you have to enter the phone number. If you don't have phone number, then you can tick a checkbox on this. This is the check-in process. So these things will come. So you have to choose 18 years above. And when you do it, it will say get a start. So when you start this process, so it will check your system again, microphone, internet speed, and webcam. If suppose you are failing on in this portion, so again restart this test, because sometimes it fail, but again when you refresh, it will pass. So when you pass all these things, then you say next. And when you say next, it will ask about the mobile phone. So you have to enter your mobile phone, you have to accept that, and how you will access. You want text message or you want URL. So when you say text message, you will get a SMS. In that, URL is there. So when you click that, uh, and this is the screen where it will say that message has to send. So when you get the message, in that message you have to click the link. When you click the link, it will ask about take the picture of yours. When you take the picture of yours, it will save it. Then it will ask about the ID. So you can choose passport or driving license. But in driving license, you can choose Aadhaar card also. You can choose any official ID card. So after that, you need to take the picture of laptop, left, right, front, back end. And when you upload all those things, then you have to come back again on this screen and you have to refresh the tab. So when you refresh the tab, you will get this exam rule reminder. So when you check it, checkbox, click it, so it will say next. So when you say next, it will say close all application. There is no application on the task tab except this page, this in Chrome page. And then you will get this message, and here you will get the face of your uh, that exam day face, you will get it. So after that, it will say thank you, and you will get your proctor within 15 minutes. And that's it. This is the way you can do that. And when you finish the exam, so it will ask about this survey. So you want to take survey or you say no thanks. Then after that, you will get the information that you had passed. Okay, and your certification will come after 48 hours on the Microsoft account where you had a login. And so that's it. And in this exam, you will get 29 questions. Passing marks is 700 and time is 90 minutes. So 90 minutes is sufficient to do the 29 questions. and I had finished in 60 minutes, so 30 minutes was extra. And so thank you, all the best, and I hope you like this webinar, and I will record next webinar very soon, and that will be on architecture, database architecture. And if you want to contact me, these are my links, contact, registration, feedback, and this is my mail ID where you can write me. So, okay, bye bye.